Millennials, it's time to take control of your financial future. At Davies Wealth Management, we understand the unique challenges you face, from crushing student loans to the unpredictable gig economy. But here's the truth. Starting early with smart investments can change everything. Despite the hurdles, balancing loan repayment with investing is crucial. Even small, consistent investments can yield significant returns thanks to the magic of compound interest. Imagine turning $500 a month into over $1.6 million by age 65. Don't let myths hold you back. You don't need a fortune to start investing. With technology at your fingertips, robo-advisors and apps make investing accessible and affordable. And remember, it's not just about money. Align your investments with your values through sustainable investing. Diversify your portfolio across stocks, bonds, and real estate to manage risk and maximize returns. The key: start now, educate yourself, and seek professional guidance. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. Let's build a secure financial future together.